Hello everyone. My name is Lavanya and I'm the founder of Sadbhoj, a brand which empowers women and brings you the essence of real and rural India. Thanks to CPX, we started a social entrepreneurship project named Sadbhoj, which connects the urban area to the rural ones. We bring homemade pickles made by women from the rural areas to the urban areas and sell them, so the women can get a source of income, as we already know that they don't have jobs because of not having proper education or proper skills. So we figured out that they already have one skill that is very essential for a food company, cooking. So we started a brand named Sadbhoj to empower them and to empower us. So initially, of course, my teachers, they supported me, and thanks to the school we got an opportunity to present the project. Also, I was very confused about how do we contact them and how will we convince them, but my father helped me a lot, and he was the one who suggested the idea that we should empower them. And then also some of my classmates joined in and they helped me. So with the support of my teachers and my family, I started this
Hello
project.
everyone, my name is Aishika and I'm the finance head of this company Sadbhoj, and I'm very proud of my school that my school has given a chance to join this project, like for the CPX entrepreneurship, and my classmate Lavanya started this. So I am very proud of her that she's leading like a businesswoman. I'm very proud of her and I am very proud of myself that I am getting a chance to join her company.
Hello everyone, my name is Zaina and I just recently joined ODM Sapphire Global School, and when I saw my group leader Lavanya working on this project, I really liked it because of the empowering women thing. So they could afford for themselves, and now I am the operation head of this company, and I'll make sure that I lead this company to success.
So, hi ma'am, as you already know that we have created a brand named Sadbhoj, which connects the rural area to the city, and we are creating jobs and we provide income for the rural women, and we help them to make desi products and sell them and market them.
Yeah, it's such a wonderful idea. I mean, I really liked your project when it comes to helping out the community around, right? Otherwise, we are in rush of academics. We are in rush of completing and learning our syllabus, right? How are we contributing? What is our social imprint? That is the most significant thing when it comes to empathy, practicing empathy. So thank you so much that your project has really worked towards sowing the seeds of empathy and contribution in the society and serving the people around you. Right? I'm really very happy. So yeah, you can show me the products and.
As you already know that we did a session with teachers where we presented our samples in front of them and let them taste it, and we also picked some of the orders. So today we bought your order to deliver it. So these are the pickles you ordered.
Very nice. I'm so happy that all these ladies in rural areas, they have made it, and I am so lucky that I am tasting it because of you, because you made connections, you made that bridge in the rural community and the school. So thank you so much for your projects. I really appreciate your energy and your enthusiasm. It's so wonderful to see your menu and see the product in reality. Thank you to all the ladies who are working so hard back in their rural areas. And thank you to you. Now make more connections and grow this brand, right? And always, grow as a social enterprise wherein you are earning and generating profit as well, and you are reinvesting your profit in these products.
Your total will be 474.
Okay, so that's so wonderful that you have made proper system wherein you are getting a QR code and you're letting us pay here only. That's so wonderful.
That's the you guys.
So I am taking care of CPX social entrepreneurship projects, and I'm guiding the students. The question is, why are we doing this? So only single answer for this is we are contributing back to society. So we feel whatever it is going around, we feel the problems which are there in community, and then we move to how we can help out, how students can help out, and then we move to the next one, that we do something, we create something so that we can contribute back to society, we can pay it forward. And that is why we have come up with CPX social entrepreneurship projects, and students are doing that. So this group Sadbhoj is doing a brilliant work. They are helping out the people. They have created jobs. They have connected with the people around in their community, and they are helping them in selling out their products. So that is why we are here, and that is what we are doing. We are helping the community around to strive and thrive for the next day, maybe for tomorrow. So it is, you are educated, you know many things, how you are helping the other people. Because when we talk about service before self matters a lot, and making the students understand this concept of service before self, this is the motto of CPX, this is the motto of social entrepreneurship projects in our school.
Sir, these are some of our pickles which we have today. We also have like 20 varieties, but they are not all here right now.
Drumstick. This drumstick and jack. Jackfruit.
What is that jackfruit?
Cuttle.
Thank you, sir. So, ma'am, we have started a social entrepreneurship project in which we sell the pickles made by the women from the rural areas of Jharkhand. So we can give them a source of income, and we have around 20 varieties of pickles. So one of them is that, which is kathal. This is Nimbu masala.
And what is the cost of each?
So it is according to grams. So
Okay. So this one is
this,
What
yeah,
is the cost?
this one is 90 rupees.
90. Nimbu masala cost 90.
90.
This one,
This one is also 90.
let me know why should I buy this?
Ma'am, because like the other companies which are in the market, they add a lot of preservatives to their product. But since these pickles are made by the women from rural areas, so we don't add any preservatives in our product.
So if I order today this, how many days will I get this?
We'll get it in 2 to 3 days.
Are this fresh?
Yeah, these are fresh.